Hi everybody, I'm Andrew Masters, an analyst at FIBO Group. In this tutorial, we'll talk about the concept of candlesticks and its important tool for graphical analysis. As I've said before, the price doesn't go in a predictable way and may go up or down at any time. The price flow needs to be organised in some way, and for the basic concepts we use 4 points: the opening price, the closing price, the maximum price, as well as the minimum. Also, the price stream can be broken down into different ranges. In ancient times, it was months, weeks, and days. Thanks to computers, everything became easier, so we obtained such time frames as 5, 15, and 30 minutes. And different trading platforms use different intervals. Nevertheless, they have the unique formation way. It was necessary to represent graphically the price flow divided into intervals, and Western and Eastern schools have solved these issues differently. Western schools adopted the bars standard. The bars sticks that possesses the high price, the low price, the opening price, and the closing price. The Eastern school introduced the concept of candlesticks. Candlesticks are identical to bars. They just have acquired a body. Candlesticks also possess the opening price, closing price, the maximum price for a certain period of time, and the minimum. However, depending on which price is higher, the closing price or the opening one, we can define whether it's bullish or a bearish candle. If the closing price is below the opening price, the candle is bearish. We may mark it, for example, with a black colour. If, on the contrary, the closing price is above the opening price, the candle will be bullish. We may mark it with a contrasting colour, for example, white. The colour of the candles are set individually. You can use green colour for the bullish candles and red for the bearish ones. The fact remains that the candlesticks are more visual than bars, and I personally prefer to analyse the market using this tool. Candlesticks and bars are not the only ways of representing the price stream. There are also others, for example, tic-tac-toe, renko, and kangi. In the next video, we'll talk about the kinds of candlesticks and their combinations.